Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the lowercase s from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes. At the top of the page, let's draw a curve on an angle. Then from the top, let's draw an S-shaped curve down to the right. Then from the bottom, a curve over. And now a curve on the right to close off the eye. Now let's move over and draw the shape of the right eye. Let's start on the top and let's draw a wavy line up and to the right. Now from the end, let's bring it down and curve it in. Now on the inside, a small curve down. And now let's connect them at the bottom. Next, inside each eye, let's draw a curve across the middle. And now underneath, a curved rectangular shape on the right side. And the same in the other eye. And now let's color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Let's draw the body next. Let's start underneath the right side and let's draw a curve down and back in. Now let's hop over on the left underneath the left side and let's draw an S-shaped curve down to meet the other line. Now from the end, let's curve it back around to the right and down. Next, let's move back up to the top and let's start next to the eyes and let's draw a curve out to the left and back in like this. Now from the ends, let's bring it up and back around, forming a point for the tail. And that's it for the shape of the letter S. Lastly, let's add the mouth. On the top section, under the eyes, let's draw a curve. Then from the top and the bottom, let's curve it over to the right. And lastly, let's add 3 angled lines inside for the teeth. And that's it for lowercase s. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!